legend from the Navy's old days, pushing boots, scaring young men in crazy ways. Now retired in his yard with a twinkle in his eye, he's got a chainsaw in hand and a ladder to the sky. His neighbors all whisper that man's lost his mind, mixing chainsaws and ladders ain't the safe kind. But Daniel just chuckles with a grin ear to ear, says I got no fear. Oh Daniel, put that chainsaw down. Don't climb that rickety ladder, you'll tumble to the ground. You're a Navy vet, but you're tempting fate. Chainsaws and ladders, that's a risky day. He's out in the backyard, all buzzing like a bee, perched on a wobbly ladder, trimming up a tree. The branch starts to sway and the ladder's gotta lean, but Daniel's singing sea shanties like it's all routine. His dog's hiding on the porch, scared half to death. The kids are sprinting away, holding on to his breath. Safety first, they shout, but Daniel just laughs. Oh Daniel, put that chainsaw down. Don't climb that rickety ladder, you'll tumble to the ground. You're a Navy vet, but you're tempting fate. Chainsaws and ladders, that's a risky day. Chainsaw still roaring like a wild joyride. The fire department came with sirens and a frown, said, Daniel, old buddy, you're the talk of the town. He winked at the chief, said, I'm just keeping it fun. Ain't no tree or tool gonna make this sailor run. But the town's got a petition and they're begging him, please stick to wrenches, old man, and leave the trees. Oh Daniel, put that chainsaw down. Don't climb that rickety ladder, you'll tumble to the ground. You're a Navy vet, but you're tempting fate. Chainsaws and ladders, that's a risky day. So here's to old Daniel with his Navy tales grand, a mechanic with spunk and a saw in his hand. But if you see him with a ladder, give a shout and a yell. Daniel, stick to coffee and leave the trees to fell.